Hi everyone! This is with Bicolana Vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! For today's video, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung 10 Malaysian dishes. So, samahan nyo akong panuorin yon. So, tara na!
Rendang, rich in spices and slowly cooked to perfection. Rendang is a spicy fare and can usually be seen during religious festivals such as Eid. Rice is served on a banana leaf as opposed to the usual plates, together with a serving of curries, vegetables, pickles, and papadom. Rojak consists of hard-boiled eggs, fried dough fritters, bean curds, potatoes, cuttlefish, cucumbers with spicy peanut sauce on top. Asam pedas is a fish dish. Asam pedas means sour spicy, making it one of the most loved Malaysian dishes of all time. Sundol is the green worm-like jelly made of rice flour and combined with shaved ice, palm sugar, and red beans, and it usually sold along the street of Kuala Lumpur. Nasi Kandar is a steamed rice with several Malay Indian dishes. The mixture of curries is poured right on top of the rice. Bakote means meat bone tea. Satay is a simple chunk of meat such as chicken, beef, or lambs, marinated with a blend of local spices. Nasi lemak, rice cooked with coconut milk, later served with a slice of cucumbers, boiled egg, and fried ground nuts. A common meal to have for breakfast, roti canai is a usually flat bread that is first twirled and then grilled. It is usually served with curry and dal for dipping.